How to lower your monthly bills without sacrificing the life you love. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you're finally ahead of your bills. You're not dreading the end of the month. You're not anxiously watching your bank account drain faster than it fills. Instead, you're calm, in control, and even have a little extra to treat yourself. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if that dream could start today with just a few smart changes? Stick around because one of the biggest money leaks might be hiding in a place you never thought to check. Welcome to a world where saving money doesn't mean sacrificing your joy. In this video, we're going to show you how to lower your monthly bills, step by step, without giving up the things you love. And by the time we get to the last tip, you'll discover one change that could put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket each month. Most people completely overlook it. Let's start cutting the fat and keeping the flavor. Number 1, cut the silent killers in your utility bills. Most people don't realize their electricity bill isn't just about how long the lights are on. Appliances like TVs, coffee makers, game consoles, even when they're off, keep sucking energy just by being plugged in. It's called phantom power, and it adds up fast. Here's what to do. Use smart power strips. They automatically shut off power when devices aren't in use. Also, switch to LED bulbs and lower your water heater temperature to around 120 degrees. That alone can save you $10 to $20 a month. Example: one family switched to LEDs and unplugged their electronics at night. They cut their electric bill from $160 to $120 monthly. That's $480 saved in a year without sacrificing anything. Number 2, renegotiate everything. Yes, everything. Here's a secret. Your bills aren't set in stone. Most people never question the price they pay for internet, phone, or cable. Companies count on your silence. Call them. Ask for promotional rates or discounts. Say you're considering switching to a competitor. They'll often give you a better deal just to keep you. Example: Alex called his internet provider, mentioned a cheaper competitor plan, and instantly got $30 knocked off per month. That's $360 saved annually for one phone call. Number 3, trim down subscriptions. Without even noticing, how many streaming services are you paying for? Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, maybe even more? You're not watching all of them. Use a free app like Truebill or Rocket Money to find and cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Even better, rotate services. Use 1 or 2 this month, cancel the rest, and switch next month. Example: Sarah had 9 subscriptions draining $120 a month. She cut it down to 2 and now pays just $25 monthly. That's over $1,100 saved each year, and she didn't miss a thing. Number 4, slash your grocery bill. Without eating ramen, groceries are one of the most flexible bills you have. But many people overspend because they shop hungry. Go without a list, or don't use what they buy. Here's your plan. Make a weekly menu. Shop with a list. Avoid pre-cut items and brand names when possible. Stick to the edges of the store. That's where the real food is. Example: Josh and Rachel used to spend $900 a month on groceries. With a meal plan and smart shopping, they now spend just $600. That's $3,600 a year in savings without eating boring food. Number 5, say goodbye to late fees. Forever late fees are one of the easiest ways to waste money and one of the easiest to avoid. Even one missed credit card payment could cost you $25 to $40 instantly. Set up autopay for every recurring bill. Or if you're not comfortable with that, use calendar reminders a few days before each due date. Some banks even let you set alerts. Example: Mike used to forget his phone bill every couple of months. Just 2 missed payments cost him $70. Now with autopay, he hasn't paid a late fee in over a year. Number 6, ditch the car expenses that are driving you broke. Car ownership is more expensive than you think. Gas, insurance, maintenance, parking. But there are ways to lower every part of that bundle. Insurance policies, increase your deductible, and shop for new quotes once a year. Also, use gas rewards programs and apps like Gas Buddy to find cheaper fuel nearby. Example, Lisa changed her car insurance provider and saved $55 monthly. She also cut down on unnecessary short trips and used public transportation twice a week combined. She saved over $1,000 last year. Number 7. Be a smartphone user. Literally and financially, you might be overpaying for your phone plan. Do you need unlimited data if you're always on Wi-Fi? Probably not. Switch to an MVNO like Mint Mobile or Visible. These smaller companies use the same towers as the big guys, but charge way less. Example. Tyler switched from a major carrier to an MVNO and went from paying $90 a month to just $25. That's $780 saved in a year without losing coverage. Number 8. Cut the insurance you don't need, but keep the critical ones. Insurance is important. Many people pay for overlapping or unnecessary policies. If you're young and healthy, do you need premium life insurance yet? Maybe not. Check for duplicate coverage. For example, your credit card might already offer travel insurance or rental car coverage. Example, Amanda canceled a duplicate roadside assistance plan because it was already included in her car insurance. That saved her $10 a month, or $120 per year. Number 9. Save hundreds by refinancing or consolidating debt. If you're carrying debt, especially credit card debt, you could be bleeding money every single month through high interest. Call your bank and ask for a lower rate. If that doesn't work, look into 0% interest balance transfers or consolidate your debt into a personal loan with a lower interest rate. Example, Marcus had $5,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest. Oh, he got a consolidation loan at 9%. He now saves over $60 per month in interest, more than $700 annually. Number 10. Use this one trick to lower rent or housing costs. So most people think rent is untouchable, but it's not. Offer to sign a longer lease in exchange for a lower monthly rate. Or, if you're open to it, get a roommate. Renting out even one room can slash your rent in half. Example, Jenny asked her landlord for a 12-month lease instead of 6 months and got $100 off her rent. Then, she rented her spare room to a college student for $400 a month. That's $6,000 saved in just 1 year. Number 11. Cancel the gym but stay fit for free. Gyms are great, but if you're not using it regularly, it's money down. The Drain.YouTube has thousands of workout routines. Local parks often have free fitness equipment. And walking is free, effective, available everywhere. Example, Greg canceled his $65 monthly gym membership and started using a free fitness app. Stayed fit and saved $780 over the year. Number 12. Automate your way to lower bills. You don't have to think about saving money every day. Automation does the work for you. Use budgeting apps that automatically categorize your spending. Set savings rules that round up purchases and move the change to savings. Link your checking account to pay off high-interest debt first. Example, Emma used a budgeting app that alerted her every time she spent more than usual on groceries or dining out. It helped her stay under budget and save over $200 in 2 months. Number 13. Here's the most overlooked place to save right in your hands. Ready for the one change most people never think about? Your mindset. Your habits drive your spending. Every time you spend out of convenience or boredom, Uber Eats at 10 p.m. A new phone case you didn't need. Random Target runs. You're choosing higher bills. Track your spending for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, but to understand your money. Patterns that awareness alone could help you break free. Example, Daniel realized he spent over $300 a month on takeout. He cut it in half by learning one simple recipe per week. He didn't give up takeout, he just became more intentional. We've just walked through some of the most powerful ways to lower your monthly bills without making your life miserable. In fact, if you use even a few of these tips, you'll likely feel freer, not deprived. But remember, the biggest win isn't just saving money, it's buying back peace of mind. You're no longer panicking when the bills arrive. You're in control. And that's a feeling worth more than dollars. So, now, you know where your money has been leaking, and more importantly, you know how to stop it.